Hallo und willkommen. If you are looking for a nursing job in Germany, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I will tell you few sentences or phrases related to nursing job in German. Okay. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. I have grouped these sentences or phrases into different sections or parts. So one by one, we'll see each and every section, and those particular phrases are related to certain theme. Okay, so I have grouped in that way. Okay, now first are basic nurse greetings. Okay, these are very important because just to start the conversation, maybe in a hospital, you need these phrases. So first one is Guten Morgen, meaning good morning. Guten Tag, good day, or hello. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? Ich bin Ihre Krankenschwester, meaning I am your nurse. Krankenschwester is nurse. Then talking to patients. Haben Sie Schmerzen? Do you have pain? So Schmerzen is pain. Wo tut es weh? Where does it hurt? So this phrase, es tut weh, is very important. You will see it very often. It is the most common phrase. Bitte entspannen Sie sich. Please relax. Keine Sorge. Don't worry. Okay, this is related to talking to patients. Then checkup sentences. Ich messe Ihren Blutdruck, meaning I'm checking your pressure. Ich messe Ihre Temperatur, I'm checking your temperature. Bitte tief einatmen, meaning please breathe in deeply. Bitte ausatmen, please breathe out. Okay, so it is like einatmen, ausatmen. Then comes these medicine sentences. Here is your medicine, meaning here is your medicine. So if you see, it is very much similar to English. Bitte nehmen Sie die Tablette nach dem Essen. Please take the tablet after food. Again, tablet, meaning a tablet. It is very much similar to English. Haben Sie Allergien? Meaning, do you have allergies? Again, similar. So isn't it easy? Now, next set of sentences. It is helping patient. So in this first one is, Ich helfe Ihnen. I will help you. This also you will require more often. This sentence or phrase. Stehen Sie bitte langsam auf. Please stand up slowly. Langsam is slowly. And gehen wir langsam. Let's walk slowly. Okay. So these were a few phrases, very useful and important phrases related to your nursing job. Now comment me in the comment box for which job you are applying in Germany. So I will come with that particular video. If you find this helpful, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.